Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering on the Ps5 and signing into the account that owns Rocket League. This gives you access to saves and purchases. Once done, plug the second controller into a USB port and press the PS button to activate it. That pairs the pad and prompts a sign-in. Make sure you create or select a second user profile or use guest so the game recognizes two players. This prevents profile conflicts and keeps stats intact. You now launch Rocket League from the primary account and move directly to play. For local split screen, choose local play. For online split screen, pick a playlist and invite or play as party members. Make sure both controllers are active and signed in before confirming the playlist, because Rocket League detects controllers at load time. If you want to use online features, sign the second player into an Epic account or continue, as guest knowing some features may be limited. You finish by having the second player press options on their controller to join the lobby. Once both players appear, adjust camera, controls, and split screen settings so each view is comfortable. Then start the match and play, coordinate positioning and boost usage for effective teamwork. If the second controller isn't detected, disconnect and reconnect via USB, try a different port, or restart the Ps5. These steps fix most connection and sign-in glitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.